We rehearse every day, from Monday to Saturday. Sometimes, if needed, we rehearse on Sundays, from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. As they say, practice makes perfect. So, yun lang kami. Nandun lang kami sa phase na yun. Hopefully, come competition day, ready na kami.
My name is John Adrian A. Angeles. This is my third time na member ng FEU cheering squad. This is my first time na magiging captain. Pag wala pang coach, ako yung nag-start ng prayer, warm-up, hanggang sa makarating sila. Parang nire-review namin yung mga stunts na tinuro niya para hindi naman natetenga.
My name is Princess Joy Flores. 2 taon na po ako dito sa FEU cheering squad. Ngayong NCC po namin, talagang pinag-aandaan po namin. In-upgrade po namin yung mga stands, mga pyramid tosses. Kasi gusto po namin makabalik yung, makita po ulit ng tao kung ano po yung FEU cheering squad.
Lagi nilang tatandaan na FEU cheering squad is one of the best teams in the country. I-expect nila na na susugal talaga kami. Kumbaga, nothing to lose naman, but everything to gain. If we play our cards right, okay na kami doon. Pero the level of difficulty talagang tinaas namin para makita talaga namin kung hanggang saan kami this year. Fight, fight, Philippines! Fight, fight, Philippines! Fight, fight, Philippines! Fight, fight, F! Fight, D! Fight, U!